Hello all, let us continue our discussion on aggregation and grouping in data frames, pandas data frames. Actually, if you see here, we had a data set and in the last video, we have shown how to use mean, okay, and then mean by columns and max by columns. Basically we have used something called group by, where we have calculated the various values. We will continue the same discussion here. Now we have a EPL data, right? English Premier League data. Let us try to see what are the total goals that are scored by a particular team in a season. So for that, we will take the data frame. So initially we have printed the data frame, right? Now let us try to use the functions. For this also we will use group by. Okay, in this group by function, group by, we will try to take the club name. Okay, so if you go to the data set, club is what? Okay, we are going to group by club, and then we are going to take the goals. Okay, so club name, goals, and there is a function called sum. So what it is going to do here is, basically we are going to group by club and then take the goals in that club and sum all of them. Let us try to execute this. Okay, you see here, this gives a clear data of how many goals calculated by a specific club. Very straightforward, right? And if you want the average data, okay, so basically there is a function called describe. So what does this describe do? So describe is a function which takes various parameters and gives out the standard deviation, the total count of data in the columns, and also like if you want a synopsis of the entire data set, you can use describe. Like, let us try to run this, we'll get to know. You can see here. Okay, so first group, first club Arsenal, and count 30 means how many columns have data appended, and then we have taken goals, right? So mean goals scored for the entire team, standard deviation, and minimum goals scored, and maximum goal scored, and percentile values. So if you know about statistics, you will know what are these percentiles. For now, we will restrict the discussion for only getting to know about the output of this discrete function. So we can talk about statistical things in future videos or in some other video tutorials. Okay, so this is about sum function, this is about the describe function,